Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to go over my YSL perfumes. So if you are interested in hearing my thoughts about the two YSL perfumes I have in my collection, keep on watching. Okay, so the first YSL fragrance that I added to my collection was YSL Leave Intense. So I had gone to Sephora, I think it was the year before last, and just doing my little go and smell through things. And one of the Sephora employees asked me if I had smelled YSL Leave, and there were two of them there. And so I was like, no, I'll smell it. So I smelled it and I was like, it's all right. So then another employee heard me say it's all right. And she was like, I feel the same way, but I think you should smell Intense because that is so sexy. And I smelled it and I was like, you are so right. And I just grabbed the 1 ounce bottle because I really was just there looking. So it really was an impulse buy, but I really enjoyed it and I'm glad I have it in my collection. So the main accords for Intense are vanilla, white floral, lavender, sweet, citrus, aromatic, amber, powdery, floral, fresh, spicy. And then the notes. The top notes are lavender, mandarin orange, bergamot. The middle note is lavender, Tunisian orange blossom. I can read. Um, jasmine sambac, orchid. The base notes are Madagascar vanilla, tonka bean, ambergris, and vetiver. So this is a really sexy fragrance. A little bit goes a very long way. Like you can't even see a dent, and I have worn this because I don't have to wear it a lot. I have not worn it a lot. Again, my big collection issues, which is why I'm gonna really work on not adding things. And when I add things, I think I'm really gonna focus on trying to do just the 1 ounce because I have so much. But there'll probably be times that I get a 3.4 ounce on something that I absolutely love. But anyway, back to this. So this fragrance to me is a year-round fragrance. I definitely feel like I can wear this year-round, but I also feel like it's an evening scent. It's not one that I think I would reach for unless I was going out. My birthday is April 8th. So shout out to all the Aries. And I wore this on my birthday evening going out with friends. So that was kind of, going out. And I think that's the thing. It's just for me, it's just nighttime. I think it would be a great date night scent, but I think just in the evening, going out, hanging out with your friends, going out with your boo, whatever, this is nice for that. I just don't see myself, and I haven't thought to reach for this during the daytime, and that's just my opinion. The longevity and the sillage on this are great. Anytime I've worn it, I've gotten compliments and just really enjoy this scent. So that is YSL Leave Intense. Oh, and I will keep this in my collection. This is one of those that I want to keep in my collection when I run out, and I'll probably keep it just in this size bottle. So that's YSL Leave Intense. Okay, so this YSL is a new addition to my collection. When it came out, I was interested and I was like, well, maybe I'll get it. So then I got it at a 20% off sale at Sephora. And that is YSL Leave Parfum. And the main accords for this are vanilla, sweet, citrus, warm, spicy, honey, white floral, aromatic, lavender, floral, and powdery. And then the notes. The top notes are ginger, saffron, mandarin, orange, bergamot. The middle note is orange blossom and lavender, and the base notes are bourbon vanilla, honey, tonka bean, and vetiver. And I can tell you right now, the reason that I just bought this, I didn't smell it. The reason that I was like, I know I'm going to love this is because of how much I like Intense. And then the base notes having that honey, tonka bean, and bourbon vanilla. I was like, yeah, there's no way I'm not going to like this. And I was right. And to me, they do smell different enough that I can justify my mind having them both in my collection. I really like this. I think this is a just more dialed in, really well put together version of Intense. And as much as I like Intense, I do actually like this even more. And it's a subtle difference. But I think for me, that honey and bourbon vanilla, and I am a bourbon vanilla lover. So the addition of that is what kind of Even though they have Madagascar vanilla in leave, I don't know. It's just something about that bourbon vanilla combination that I really enjoy. And I really, really like both of these. And to me, this is also one of those wear it in the evening. I think, the same kind of pairings that you would pair with Intense, you could pair with this. I do feel like this is, like I said, just a little more put together than Intense. So if you're not like me and can figure out a way to justify having a very two fragrances that are exactly the same, pretty much, I would suggest this over Intense, which when I ordered this, I didn't think that I would feel like that, but I do. So if I got to a point where I was like, okay, you don't need both of these in your collection, you need to pick one, this would be the one that I picked over all of the leaves that I've smelled so far. So that is YSL Leave Parfum. Okay, guys, so those are my two YSL fragrances. So again, Leave Parfum is my favorite. So if I were to finish both of these and say, okay, you don't need both, just get one, then I would get Parfum and I would get it in a probably the 3.4 ounce. And that would kind of be how I work that out. If I decided I wanted to keep them both, then I probably would just keep these sizes as I finish them. And you can tell the difference just looking at them, even though the bottle is exactly the same. The juice in Parfum is different. It's darker and has more of a honey. So like I can just look at them on the stand and see know which one is which. But you can also read the bottom. So those are my two YSL lead perfumes. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have smelled all the leaves or you have them in the comments below, tell me which one is your favorite. And so that is it for now. And I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.